Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making a lemon olive oil snack cake. I like to top this cake with candied lemons, so you want to make those ahead of time, and I'll link the recipe in the description. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. In a large mixing bowl, add in 3/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, half a cup of coconut milk, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 326 grams of cane sugar, and then whisk that together. Then add in 3 large eggs and whisk to combine completely. Add in 390 grams of cake flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Last, add in the zest of 1 lemon. Fold this together with a spatula until you have a smooth cake batter. Transfer to a 9-inch cake pan that's lined with parchment paper and spread it out evenly. Bake at 350 degrees for 50 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool completely in the pan while you make the frosting. In the bowl of a stand mixer fitted with the paddle attachment, add 113 grams of softened butter, 212 grams of sifted powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of coconut milk, and 1 teaspoon of lemon flavor. Mix on low until combined and then speed the mixer up to high and mix until it's light and fluffy. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl partway through to ensure you have a smooth frosting. While I'm using coconut milk in this recipe, you can also use regular milk as well. Remove the cake from the baking pan and transfer the frosting to the top of the cake. Spread it out evenly, and I just like to give it a few little swirls with the spatula for a nice rustic finish. I top this cake with candied lemons, which is totally optional, but it makes this cake so cute. If you want more organic cake recipes like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.